Hello and welcome. So Michael here, and today let's do a quick tap together on feeling good. So you can do this in the morning or any time of the day when you feel like you need a little bit of a boost. Okay, so let's get straight into it. So tapping on the side of the hand, and just take a deep breath through the nose and out through the mouth. And again. Good. One more. Good. Repeat these words if it feels okay for you. So any tension in my body and in my shoulders, it's okay now to let them go. And any tension in my belly or chest, it's safe now to let them go too. Any tension in my neck and in my face, it's safe now to let them soften. And I'm allowing my body to relax. And I'm allowing my breath to move more deeply. Good, top of the head. So I'm allowing my mind to release any tension. I'm letting go of any residual anger, frustration, or worry. On the side. With every breath, I'm letting go of any remaining tension and releasing it from my body and releasing it from my shoulders right now. Good, under the nose. And I'm opening myself to the possibility of feeling good and at ease. Feeling good inside and feeling good about the outside. I'm open to the possibility of letting people be who they are without trying to fix them, without trying to change them. I'm opening to the possibility of letting them be who they are. And this will allow me to be who I am. Under the arm. I'm allowing myself to be at ease and to rest. Nothing to fix, nothing to change, nothing wrong. It's okay to be who I am. On top of that, releasing any feelings of trying to prove anything or make anything better. Letting go of trying to understand everything. Good, on the side of the eye. So that I can breathe more easily. Good, under the eye. Allowing in more space, more peace, more energy into my body right now. Good. Under the nose. I'm open to the possibility of having more fun. Chin. Having more fun in my body. And having more fun in my mind. Good. Tap on the chest. I'm open to the possibility that this day will be more fun. And no matter what happens around me, I'm allowing myself to feel good no matter what. Good in the body, in the mind, and in my life. Deep breath. Good. And I fully and deeply love and forgive myself, no matter what. Good. Take a deep breath. Relax the tap. Have a little break, a little moment. Good. So have a beautiful rest of the day, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.